Hi everyone, meteorologist Susie Martin here, and Happy New Year. I hope you're having a good first few days here, 2023. We've got an active weather pattern in place, which is going to set us up with rounds of thunderstorms, and the potential for severe weather is top of our headlines as we do have an enhanced risk in place for tomorrow. Cold front, that's what's going to be marching through the region, which by Thursday we'll be feeling in terms of temperatures as we swing from above average temperatures to a lot more seasonable weather once that boundary pushes through, and a dry stretch of weather ahead Wednesday and into the weekend with sunshine. But for right now, we do have a very active situation with storms, a possibility into the overnight hours, rain and rumbles, incredibly mild temperatures. As you can see, our morning lows only down to 66 degrees with afternoon temperatures just a few degrees shy of the record set back in 1982-78, and we're going to be about 4 degrees cooler than that, but still incredibly warm nonetheless. And even low maximum temperature records will be rivaled across much of the south. So that's an indication of this warm, moist air mass that's in place. Now, the issue, though, is that we have this cold front carving into that warm, moist air, and this will be setting us up with, again, the potential for severe weather. Enough lift will be provided for those stronger thunderstorms. Initially tonight, a lot of the activity will be out to the west, so not as concerned just yet. But then once we move into the day tomorrow, that boundary approaches, and we'll see waves of showers and storms tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. We do have the potential for some rough weather, and then by Wednesday morning, the bulk of that will be out to the east. So this is mainly an overnight situation for us, as we'll have to really be more weather aware by tomorrow evening. The severe weather potential is enhanced for our area. You can see the areas in orange indicating where we are under that enhanced risk. This means that numerous severe events will be possible. That's a category 3 out of 5 on the severe risk scale, if you will, with more persistent and or widespread intense thunderstorms. Damaging winds will be one of the main concerns here, so we'll be watching for that. We can't rule out some hail. And as we look at the tornadic threat, it is significant cutting into the region here. So this area in yellow and those hash marks indicating where we have a more significant threat for those tornadic storms. So I do urge you to take all the precautions and know the difference between a watch and a warning. The watch means you need to be prepared and just know that inclement weather is coming, and then a warning means that it's happening. That's when you have to take action. And when it comes to tornadoes especially, that really is an important differentiation that you have to make between a watch and a warning. The warning is when you have to take action. Tonight, 66 degrees with the threat for some rumbles. We've got some gusty south winds in place and very mild temperatures. As you look at our extended forecast, note how we're warm and stormy tomorrow, but the cold air is coming. By Thursday, a high 54 degrees, overnight lows back down to the mid-30s, and a stretch of sun through the end of the week.